Are your hands dry, cracked, and worn out from all the hand washing? Well, I'm going to show you how to make an awesome hand cream with the essential oil that we made with my last video. But please first subscribe to my channel. Now let's gather our supplies. I like to use a Pyrex measuring cup. You're going to need a silicone spoon. You're going to need a clean jar. You can use a aluminum tin or a jelly jar as well. 1/4 cup of shea butter. 1/8 cup of dandelion infused grapeseed oil, and 1 tablespoon of beeswax. I'm going to use some rosehip oil. It's good for the skin. Also some vitamin E. We're going to use clary sage and sweet orange from our essential oils. Now this is the fun part. We're just actually going to put all of our shea butter, our oils, and our beeswax all in the Pyrex measuring cup. Just dump it in. Now we're going to create a double boiler with our measuring cup, and we're going to heat it on medium heat until it's all melted. Now that your oils, butters, and waxes are all melted, we're going to add our essential oils and our vitamin E and rosehip. So first we're going to add our orange oil, and I'm going to put about 25 drops of the orange oil. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the clary sage, and it just kind of barely comes out, but it's coming out. And I'm counting my drops. 25 drops. Then we're going to put like 5 drops of vitamin E and like 5 drops of rosehip oil and mix it all up together, and voila, we're going to pour it into our clean container, and we're just going to let it cool, and you're done. Thank you for watching my video. Please be on the lookout for new content. And don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. And then head on over to the Instagram at Nuknuila Sarah for daily content. And again, thanks and have a great day.